Yo, what's up everybody? It's Abdul. AI, it's everywhere, right? But here's the thing. It's not just changing the tech game, it's changing the game, like seriously changing it. We're talking next level opportunities to level up your finances in 2025, and guess what? You don't need to be a coding whiz or a tech guru to get in on this. Whether you're just starting out or you're looking to scale your business to like a whole new stratosphere, AI is the secret weapon. We're seeing freelancers crushing it, artists creating mind-blowing stuff, and entrepreneurs building entire businesses, all powered by AI. And the crazy part, this is just the beginning. So if you're ready to unlock some serious earning potential with AI, you've come to the right place. Stick around because I'm breaking down 3 powerful ways you can start making money with AI this year. Plus, I've got a bonus AI hack that's going to blow your mind. Let's get it. First up, let's talk about freelancing. Now, freelancing is nothing new, right? But AI is taking freelancing to a whole new level. We're talking about AI tools that can help you work smarter, not harder. Tools that can automate those tedious tasks, boost your productivity, and help you deliver top-notch quality to your clients. And the best part? You don't need to be a tech wizard to use them. Let's say you're a writer. I'm talking bloggers, copywriters, content creators, anyone who makes a living by putting words together. AI writing tools can help you generate ideas, create outlines, write faster, and even improve your writing style. It's like having a digital writing assistant working alongside you 24/7. But it's not just about writing. AI is transforming pretty much every aspect of freelancing. If you're a graphic designer, AI tools can help you create stunning visuals in a fraction of the time. Imagine generating logos, social media posts, even entire branding concepts, all with the help of AI. And for all you video editors out there, AI-powered video editing software can help you automate those time-consuming tasks like cutting clips, adding transitions, and even color correcting your footage. It's like having a whole post-production team at your fingertips. Now I know what you might be thinking. Abdul, is AI going to take over my freelancing gig? And you know, it's a valid concern. But here's the thing. AI is not here to replace you. It's here to you. Think of it as a superpower that can help you level up your skills and offer even more value to your clients. Because here's the reality. Clients, they don't just want good work anymore. They want work and they want it fast. And AI is the key to delivering on both fronts. By incorporating AI into your freelancing workflow, you're not just keeping up with the competition. You're it. You're becoming more efficient, more productive, and more valuable. And that translates to one thing. More money in your pocket, because when you can deliver high-quality work faster, you can take on more clients, charge premium rates, and ultimately increase your income. So whether you're a seasoned freelancer or just starting out, AI is no longer optional. It's the key to thriving in the future of freelancing. But look, AI-powered freelancing is just the tip of the iceberg. We're about to dive into some serious game-changing stuff. So buckle up, because in the next chapter, we're going to explore the world of AI-powered automation businesses. And trust me, this is where things get really interesting. So make sure you hit that subscribe button and ring that notification bell so you don't miss it. All right, so we've talked about how AI can supercharge your freelancing game. But what if I told you that AI could actually work for you, even while you sleep? That's the power of AI-powered automation businesses. We're talking about businesses that practically run themselves, generating passive income 24/7. Now, when I say automation businesses, I'm not talking about those shady get-rich-quick schemes you see all over the internet. I'm talking about legitimate businesses that leverage the power of AI to automate tasks, streamline processes, and generate revenue with minimal human intervention. Think about it. What are some of the most time-consuming and repetitive tasks in a business? Things like customer service, data entry, social media management. These are all tasks that can be easily automated with AI. And that's where the magic happens. By automating these tasks, you're freeing up your time and resources to focus on the things that really matter, like growing your business, developing new products, or, just chilling on a beach somewhere. And the best part, AI never sleeps. It's working for you around the clock, generating income even when you're not actively working. Let's look at some real-world examples. One of the most popular AI-powered automation businesses is e-commerce. Imagine having an online store that runs itself. AI can handle everything from product recommendations to order fulfillment to customer service, all without you lifting a finger. Another booming area is content creation. AI can generate high-quality written content like blog posts, articles, and social media updates. It can even create videos, animations, and even music. So if you're looking to build a content empire without spending countless hours creating content yourself, AI is your new best friend, but it's not just about online businesses. AI is also transforming traditional industries. Let's say you're a real estate agent. You can use AI to automate tasks like property valuation, lead generation, and even scheduling appointments. This frees up your time to focus on building relationships and closing deals. The possibilities with AI-powered automation businesses are practically limitless. The key is to identify a need in the market and then figure out how to use AI to automate the solution. And the beauty of it is that you don't need to be a tech expert to get started. There are tons of tools and resources available to help you build and launch your own AI-powered automation business. From no-code platforms to pre-built AI models, you can get your business up and running without writing a single line of code. But before you dive headfirst into the world of AI-powered automation businesses, there's one more money-making opportunity I want to share with you. And trust me, this one's a game changer, especially if you're interested in passive income. So make sure you stick around for the next chapter where we'll be exploring the exciting world of AI investment and trading. You don't want to miss this. All right, so we've talked about AI-powered freelancing and AI-powered automation businesses. Now let's talk about how AI is changing the game for investors and traders, because here's the thing. AI isn't just about automating tasks, it's also about making smarter decisions. And when it comes to investing and trading, smarter decisions mean bigger profits. Now, I'm not a financial advisor, so this isn't financial advice, but AI is transforming the way people invest and trade in a major way. Traditionally, investing and trading have always been about analyzing data, identifying trends, and making predictions. But the problem is that the human brain can only process so much information at once. We're talking about massive amounts of data, constantly changing market conditions, and let's be real, a whole lot of emotional bias that can cloud our judgment. But with AI, you're basically giving yourself a superhuman edge. AI-powered trading algorithms can analyze vast amounts of data in real time, identify patterns that humans might miss, and execute trades with lightning-fast speed and precision. It's like having a team of expert traders working for you 24/7, constantly monitoring the markets and making trades based on cold, hard data rather than emotions. And the best part, you don't need to be a Wall Street whiz to get started. There are tons of AI-powered investment platforms and robo-advisors that can help you get started with algorithmic trading, even if you have zero experience. These platforms use sophisticated algorithms to create personalized investment portfolios based on your risk tolerance, financial goals, and investment timeline. They can even automatically rebalance your portfolio as market conditions change, ensuring that you're always invested in the right assets at the right time. But it's not just about automation. AI can also provide you with valuable insights and analysis to help you make more informed investment decisions. AI-powered sentiment analysis tools can track news articles, social media posts, and other online data to gauge market sentiment and predict future price movements. And if you're into cryptocurrency, AI is making waves in that space too. AI-powered trading bots can monitor multiple exchanges, analyze market data, and execute trades 24/7, helping you capitalize on the volatile crypto market. But look, as with any investment, there are risks involved. AI is not a magic bullet, and it's not going to guarantee you riches overnight. The market is unpredictable, and even the most sophisticated AI algorithms can make mistakes. But here's the thing, AI is constantly learning and evolving. As more data becomes available and algorithms become more sophisticated, AI-powered investment and trading are only going to get more powerful and accessible. So whether you're a seasoned investor or just starting out, it's clear that AI is transforming the financial landscape. And if you're not already incorporating AI into your investment strategy, you're missing out on a huge opportunity. And there you have it. 3 powerful ways AI can help you make money in 2025 and beyond. Whether you're a freelancer looking to boost your productivity, an entrepreneur looking to build a passive income stream, or an investor looking to gain an edge in the market, AI has something to offer everyone. The future is here, and it's powered by AI. But the real power lies in understanding how to leverage this technology to your advantage. So which of these AI money-making ideas excites you the most? Let me know in the comments down below. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more videos on how to make money online, level up your tech game, and stay ahead of the curve. And I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.